How do you leverage your time to unlock beast mode for lightning fast results? Okay, let's get into it. So I have 3 things to unpack with you. Stay tuned. I have 4 tips that's gonna help you be more productive. Have you ever wondered why people suffocate when it comes to business?
Never be average. I need you to keep that right here. Because some of y'all is gonna end up average because you don't believe it.
I read a book about this guy that was interested in business, okay? He did businesses, he was successful in some businesses, right? But he was chasing different opportunities, right? They call them shiny objects, okay? So where he wasn't focused on just one thing at a time, he was trying to do them all, okay? He was trying to do all of them. And he wasn't focused, right? So although he was having some success, he wasn't where he wanted to be. Okay, so the very first thing, here's point number 1. One day he had a talk with himself and he said, you know what? Enough is enough. So he cut out all distractions. That's the first thing. He cut out all distractions. He got rid of all his social media and he also got rid of unhealthy, non-supportive people. Okay, that's the first thing he did. Now that he didn't have distractions, he can focus better. Before having something to focus on, he needed a consistent schedule. He mapped out how he wanted to spend his time each day so that he had no time wasted. That's the second thing, having a consistent schedule. Very, very important. And then the final thing he did was dial in on one clear objective. That's number 3, okay? Having extreme focus on one clear thing. Without having one clear thing for your brain to focus on, your mind will be jumbled and all over the place. And I promise you, these 3 main key points will make you dominate. So cut out distractions, have a consistent schedule, and be dialed in on one objective. And when it comes to cutting out non-supportive, unhealthy people in your life, watch my next video on these 3 things to watch out for. Thank you for watching my video, and until the next one, remember, success leaves clues.